Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, good day. I just want to say here that India belongs to many religions, castes, languages, cultures. So it is not an issue about persecution of Muslims only. I think it is an issue about the attack on the diversity of India. It is the most diverse country in the world, genetically speaking, linguistically, religiously. So I am here to protest the attack on the diversity of India. Muslims happen to be the biggest minority, so they are facing the brunt. But actually it will be the Hindus of India who will finally be the biggest losers, because India is a democracy. India has so much diversity. So the biggest chunk of the population will suffer the most. So today we need to stand not just for our Muslim brothers and sisters, but entire India.